All right, this is the first video on SAP. I'm just going to start uploading them and kind of go through some things, hopefully help you with some of the getting started with this new system. So once you log in, you notice that I'm in hn1.hana1.ucc. Anyway, it's this up here, okay? And it takes you to this dashboard screen. When you're in the dashboard screen, most of what you're going to be working on is right here in these two tiles, but there is this curriculum material PDF. If you open it, everything that you need is in these downloads. Okay, so you can start and just go through each one. It will open up. It looks like it's very big. All right, so once you get into that, you can click on that button. It opens it up. It looks like it has a lot of cool stuff for you to look at. And the case study that you're working on is this one here. Okay, so you can go through all of these different slides. This one talks about how to do data modeling. This one talks about the reporting, stuff like that. When you go into the case study itself, let's see if that will open up. This is what the case study looks like. You can come down and look at things. So the very first one tells you to go to that website and make sure it says SAP HANA IDE. So when you come here, it doesn't. You can go back here, and then if you look, this one here is SAP HANA. When you click on it, it's IDE and the editor. So we'll go back to this one and we'll say, make sure you go to the editor. Okay, so select editor perspective. Okay, once you're in the editor perspective, you'll go, yours is whatever you logged in as. Okay, and notice you have to create a file. So you'll right click, new, and Dr. Predmore said that you need to create a package. I'm not sure what the difference is between a package and a file, but I created a file and I named it. You got to be really clear. Name it. I named it exactly what it said in the PDF, but then the .hdb table is very important. That means it's SQL. Okay, so it says create the new file. It says navigate to your package and create a new table definition using the custom the context menu. Okay, and make sure you name it customer underscore attr underscore your number .hdb table. And then you're going to copy this code. So you'll just copy this, but then you also have to make sure you copy this. Okay. Once you copy all that code into here, okay, once you copy all the code in, it looks like this. You'll adjust the number here, okay, and you'll save it. As soon as you save it, you can go back to your catalog, and it should show up in your catalog. Let's just let this load. You go to your catalog and you go down to where it is and you click on tables, and your table should be right there. And that should be everything that you just did, was you just created it in the editor. Okay, so that's the first part. It's just that. Okay, then it wants you to do it again, but you're going to call it the product. Okay, and these are very similar. So they give you the code for the first one. They don't give you the code for the second one. So you take the first one and you adjust it. Gives you some hints. Okay, then you'll do it again a third time. Okay, and then you'll do some data provisioning. Okay, you're going to populate those tables that you just created with the Smart Data Integration tool. Okay, so after you create your 3 tables, then you're going to do step 2, data provisioning, and we'll cover that in the next video.